How and why are oceans salty? Oceans are salty mainly because of erosion, which carries mineral salts to the seas and oceans. This process, coupled with the evaporation of water, allows elements like sodium and chlorine to become concentrated in seawater. Ocean salinity is maintained by a balance between the input of salt by rivers and the loss of water through evaporation. Erosion process. Erosion plays a vital role in the saltiness of the oceans. For millions of years, the flow of rain has created waterways that have ripped fine particles of rock containing mineral salts from the earth. These particles were carried to the oceans, where they accumulated over time, dissolving minerals. When rainwater seeps into the soil and rocks, it dissolves minerals that contain salts, including sodium and chlorine. Therefore, when water flows into rivers, it carries these mineral salts to the oceans, thus contributing to their salinity. Concentration by evaporation. On the other hand, when ocean water evaporates, only water molecules rise into the atmosphere, while the salts remain in the water. This means that even though river water is renewed and therefore not salty, ocean water continuously accumulates these salts due to evaporation. The composition of sea salt is mainly sodium chloride, also known as NaCl. This compound results from the combination of sodium and chlorine. This process also occurs because of underwater volcanic eruptions and chemical exchanges that occur between the different compartments of the Earth, which further contributes to the concentration of these salts in the oceans. To understand why the oceans are not getting saltier, it is important to note that the salt stock is renewed. Rivers continue to bring in salts, but there are also evacuation mechanisms by evaporation in specific areas, such as salt marshes, where salt can crystallize and form evaporites. The concentration of salt in the oceans has significant ecological implications. Salt water is a complex habitat that is home to a wide diversity of marine life, and this salinity is essential for regulating various biological processes in the ocean ecosystem. In short, the salinity of the oceans is the result of a long process of erosion, dissolution, evaporation, and a balance of salt inputs and losses, creating a marine environment essential to life on Earth. This content was brought to you by Lifelong Learner LLC. Like and share for greater impact. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next video.